Dear friends, this is Rohit from ASTRO-DOWSING channel. ASTRO-DOWSING family and members keep requesting always to everyone for the restoration of 432 Hz as A major tone. We will keep continuing our mission forever. Actually, 432 Hz is basically A4 tone. From healing point of view, A major tone stands for Agya Chakra. C major tone is tuned with Muladhara Chakra. Piano keys also start with C tone. Eminent Japanese scientist Mr. Masaru Emoto proved by the help of water crystal the clarity of 432 Hz during his experiments. 440 Hz was little hazy and didn't have that clear image like 432 Hz. Many changes started coming out one after another. France started using A4 tone as 435 Hz in the year 1859. Italy adopted 440 Hz in the year 1885. United States followed 440 Hz in 1917. Standardization recognized A4 as 440 Hz in the year 1950. In Nazi Germany, the Minister of Propaganda, Joseph Goebbels, ordered in 1939 to replace all tuning forks to 440 Hz. Before that period, instruments were tuned 8 Hz lower to 432 Hz. Raga-dependent songs never go beyond diatonic scale or chromatic scale. Distortion is harmful for health, mind, and spirituality. We need to follow the basics of Bharatiya Shastriya Sangeet. Practice in the morning time is extremely helpful for soul, mind, and health. Many vocalists, sitarists, flautists, rhythmists enjoyed king-size life with less complications. They worship music with love and passion. Scientists studied with movie soundtracks. After the listening session with the music tuned at 432 Hz, we observed a significant reduction of the heart rate, respiratory rate, blood pressure, and in oxygen level, but no alteration observed during the hearing of music tuned at 440 Hz. Italian opera singers in 1988 proposed to modify the tuning fork for tuning the orchestras of the opera house to 432 Hz, and the composer Giuseppe Verdi had already requested this in 1884. His request was granted in a decree, which however was never applied. In fact, in 1989, in line with the 1975 European directives, the A was also legally fixed in Italy at 440 Hz. Maria Renaud explains in a book describing some experiments that When listening to a piano concert with a standard pitch based on 440 Hz, the listeners present in the room during the performance assumed polemic, aggressive behaviors. When the tone of the same instrument was brought to 432 Hz, the same people once again invited to listen to the same concert perceived the music as being better and showed much more attention in listening. Renaud was described these behaviors for over 20 years, interviewing and testing the two different frequencies on more than 2,000 people. In an article by the Schiller Institute, it was stated that the most scientifically correct tuning is 432 Hz. This article explains the mathematical calculations by which this conclusion was arrived at, referring to historical figures such as Leonardo da Vinci, Johannes Kepler, Leonardo Pisano. NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, shows us in real time that the terrestrial frequency is about 7.83 Hz Schumann resonance. This would therefore be the mathematical relation with 432 Hz. Since 7.83 Hz is a submultiple of 432 Hz for the ratio between frequency and octave music. Because of harmonic misalignment, listening to 440 Hz music would seem to make people anxious, nervous, or aggressive because it is not in harmony with the natural frequency of the planet Earth. These same effects would have repercussions on human health. Since our DNA is sensitive to frequencies, as stated by Professor Carlo Ventura's team, human DNA is sensitive to music and its relative frequencies to the point that it can even be reprogrammed through them. In fact, by subjecting stem cells to various frequencies, it has been possible to modify their natural organic function. It seems that the benefit of music tuned at 432 Hz are not related to the musical genre, but exclusively to the frequency and relative tonalities of the music. The NASO study suggests one experimental observation suggests that music tuned to 432 Hz can be used as a remedy for anxiety and pain in dental treatment. However, the effects of listening to music tuned to 432 Hz have not been compared to the effects of listening to music tuned to 440 Hz in this context. Any type of music could be produced at transposed to frequencies of 432 Hz with specific music editing software. In the complete absence of scientific evidence regarding the beneficial effects hypothesized by listening to tracks recorded at 432 Hz compared to the 442 Hz standard, a pilot study was designed to identify the effects and possible differences between the two frequencies on human vital parameters. Furthermore, the perceptions of the subjects were explored during and after listening to music recorded at the two different frequencies, together with the general level of appreciation of the listening experience. Midbrain activation can help awakening of subconscious. Binaural beats are the process of midbrain activation. Musically, midbrain activation can be used to alleviate many complications in human body. It is equally helpful for any animals and creatures of this world. It is needed to use true tone to get a healthy music. Midbrain activation for the kids, which is visibly wonderful for anyone to that ecstasy of knowing anything unknown answers. But when your midbrain is activated by binaural beats, it is a miracle tone. The proper utilization of that binaural bit can be used wonderfully for this universe. Thank you, my dear friends.